Have you ever bought a token and you were very confident, yet you still made losses and you keep making those losses? Sometimes losses in crypto is not bad luck. It's just because there's one single mistake you keep making, which I'm about to explain. The fact is that in crypto, people don't understand this. When a token is pumping, people basically buy out of emotion, not out of understanding, nor out of research. Because you hear somebody saying this is the next Bitcoin, this is the next Shiba Inu, this is the next Pepe, and then you jump in and just buy. And this is as a result of what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. So this is how FOMO works. When a token pumps like 30, 40 to 100%, you come in, literally you know you are late. The gold candle is already out. But you now say, let me just buy. And then you buy, and then you may see maybe 10 to 15% to 20% of progress in your P&L. And then greed will set in. You don't want to take out the little profit you have made, even though you came late. And then the token start going down, and then that profit vanish, and you totally become a bag holder, and you make another loss. Because the truth is that FOMO replaces strategy. You don't think long term, you don't do research, you just come into the token because it's a pumping. So the best way to escape this, you must learn the joy of missing out. That is, learn when the token has already pumped, always know the money will always be in the market. Do not just jump in. Number two, always do your research. Do not just buy a token because an influencer is talking about it, or because a friend is talking about it, or because someone told you it's going to the moon. Do your research. Then number three, have your exit and entry. Before you enter any token, know when you want to exit. Have a strategy, because trading is actually a war. It's he who survives that come out strong and takes the profit. So if you keep making persistent losses, my best advice for you is to slow down. Even if you have known all the strategy on earth, you must learn to manage your emotions, because crypto trading dwells on psychology. If you cannot manage those emotions, you will definitely make wrong choices. And with wrong choices, you lose money and you become exit liquidity. Keep following me for more beginners friendly videos on how to stay safe in the crypto space. Catch you. Stay close to Crypto-Fotismós. Thank you. Like, share, and let someone know.